Hi everyone, my name's Brian. I'm with MakersVibe, and we are releasing a plugin to JDS's product catalog. This is going to help you be able to search their product catalog much quicker and get your results back in a WordPress plugin that is easy to install. It's 100% free. So if you're a JDS customer, you obviously know how to go to the JDS website. If you're not, you do need to become a customer in order to be able to purchase their products. They need you to have a licensed business and a tax ID. But you can go into their site and you can look at their different lineup of items, and you can search down and you can see that they have tons of SKUs, right? Every SKU is a unique item. They literally have 15,000 plus SKUs. What we've done is we've gone ahead and created a plugin. So if you grab the link below, you go over to MakersVibe and it'll take you directly to the cart here. All you have to do is place the plugin in your shopping cart, and well, we already have one there. So you go over here. Yep, we got one in the cart. We can view the cart, or we can check out. There's no coupon that you need to apply because it is $0. It's 100% free, and you can go ahead and check out. If you're familiar with WordPress, which you most likely are, you know how to essentially download your WordPress plugin, and then you're going to go ahead and upload it into your website. So once you've downloaded you've checked out and you've downloaded your plugin, go ahead and jump over to your website and install your plugin. And if you're familiar with installing plugins, right, you'll go into your plugin module and you'll install the plugin. It's going to be called Product Connect by MakersVibe. And you'll have all the information here that you need. So you could go ahead and install that. Once you have it installed, you're going to be taken over to the Product Connect tab. And this is what it'll look like. You'll see that our instance of WordPress is very much customized on the back end. So yours may look a little bit different. But what you're looking for is the Product Connect tab. From here, super simple. You plug in a SKU, hit lookup, and you're going to find it. So FSK 634, we gave you a couple to try when you log in, and it'll immediately bring up real time, an API looking at JDS, pulling in the information, right? The title, your SKU, the description, you're going to get case quantity, the available quantity they have on hand, and what local quantity is available. Then you'll have your less than case price, your case price if you're purchasing a full case, which would be your 10 units here. And then if you're buying 5 cases, you're going to get a reduction, and then 10 or more cases, you get a reduction. So you can essentially look up any SKU that you want that's in their catalog. Go ahead and grab another one, look it up. Sometimes it'll take a second. It is doing a live lookup to JDS and it's pulling the information. So once you see that, you're like, okay, this is great. You got what you need. Well, a lot of times you may have, let's say you have a half a dozen of top selling products and you want to be able to look up and get the latest on all those products. So here, just comma separated, you can put in a half a dozen or a dozen different products, and you can hit your lookup tool. It's going to go run that lookup, and now you're going to get back all the different SKUs. So you can see here, we pulled 2 different pet bowls. Maybe they're, top sellers for us or for you. You're pulling a couple different Polar Camel cups here, right? A leatherette one, and then some 40-ounce ones, right? They're all going to give you the same thing, all formatted nicely, always going to give you the case quantities, your available quantities, and so forth. The great thing about this is that if you go over to the JDS website, one, you can always confirm that what you're pulling is accurate, which we know it is. So you can look, for example, the LB. Oh, let's just take one of these, okay? So we're going to go ahead and just look at LBP, LPB 005. All right. You could do your search. It's going to pull back your Polar Camel Bowl, pink, and you have your less than case price, your case price, all of this, right? That is exactly what you're seeing in here. Here's your less than case price, your cases, quantity, everything is the same. What we've noticed that is more helpful to you is when, or what we feel is more helpful, if you go and you try to search a half a dozen or a dozen of these in the JDS search bar, what's going to end up happening is you're searching and you're going to get a result. So this one is pulling 5203, which is the last one in our search parameter. And then it pulls up something else, which we didn't even search for. And that's it. So if you have that half a dozen, items in your catalog that you want to go in every morning, you want to make sure what's on hand, or JDS sends an email saying we're running promotions on something. Instead of you having to go over and run individual searches and go find everything, you have the ability to just throw them all into the lookup tool, pulls everything back, and you have all of your information. So quick short video on this. Just wanted to share it with you guys. This is 100% free. Like I said, you go over to MakersVibe. We'll drop the link in below. You grab your plugin, download it, install it, and you're good to go. Be sure to check out MakersVibe as well. We're doing some other really cool stuff dealing with vendors and makers and all kinds of stuff. So appreciate your time, and thank you once again.